It's given that x is a positive integer and we have to find the digit on the units place in the expansion of x raised to power 40. Look at statement 1 here. X is even, so it may end with 2, 4, 6, 8 as well as 0. Now some students may think that the number cannot end with 0 because x is a positive integer. Yes, x cannot be equal to 0, but it may end with 0. For example, x could be something like 20, 30, 40, even 10. So x can very well end with a 0. Now see, in these 4 cases, the last digit of x raised to power 40 would be 6, but in this case, the digit would be 0. So 2 different answers are possible, 6 as well as 0. So statement 1 is not sufficient. Look at statement 2 now. X is not a multiple of 5. So statement 2 is definitely not sufficient. For something like 2 raised to power 40, the last digit would be 6. For something like 3 raised to power 40, the last digit would be 1. Many answers are possible. Statement 2 is not sufficient. Now on combining, we know that x is not a multiple of 5 and therefore x cannot end with a 0. See, all the examples that we took here, they all end with a 0 and they are a multiple of 5. And therefore, if x is not a multiple of 5, it is not going to end with a 0 and therefore this case must be discarded. And we saw that in all the other 4 cases, the last digit is 6 and therefore combining worked. On combining, we could say that the last digit of x raised to power 40 is 6 and therefore C is the correct answer choice.